Shrentle. Here are today's top stories. Prime Minister Narendra Modi departs for a two-day visit to Egypt after a successful conclusion of US tour. KHADC unanimously passes official resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. 253 crore 12,59,690 crore budget presented in the House. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews Tura Stadium wall collapse issue. Says the wall collapsed due to blockage in drainage system and ongoing construction work. Riboy Regional Committee holds meet. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong says Meghalaya to seek retransfer of Block 1 and 2 from Assam. The news in detail. After successfully concluding his first official state visit to the USA, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today departed for Egypt. This is the Prime Minister's first visit to Egypt, and during the two-day visit, the Prime Minister will hold talks with the President of Egypt, Abdel Fattah el-Sisi. Meanwhile, the White House has said that Modi's visit to the US was not about leveraging India to be a counterweight to China, but to deepen ties, including defense cooperation between the largest democracies of the world. The KHADC on Saturday unanimously passed the official resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code or UCC within areas falling under the Council during the ongoing summer session. While moving the resolution, KHADC CEM Panchayat Singh CEM said that the Executive Committee has decided to bring this official resolution after learning that there is a move from the centre to implement UCC throughout the country. The Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council CEM Panchayat Singh CEM on Saturday presented Rs 253 crore 12,59,690 budget of the council for 2023 to 2024 financial year. The estimated revenue was pegged at 253 crores 12 lakhs 4,610, making it a 55,080 rupee deficit budget. Delivering his budget speech during the ongoing summer session, CM informed that the state government in the previous years 2020 to 2021 and 2021 to 22 has released the funds earmark through the 15th Finance Commission. He further informed that the council has received the second installment of the funds through the 15th Finance Commission of the year 2020 to 21 in 2022 to 23, besides the first installment of the year 2020 to 21. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma yesterday held a review meeting with the concerned department on the collapse of the retaining wall in the football stadium of the PA Sangma Sports Complex in Tura. After the review meeting, the Chief Minister informed that the preliminary technical assessment of the incident by the engineering wing of the State Sports Council of Meghalaya has been completed. The assessment indicated that due to the ongoing works in Indoor Hall 1 and Indoor Hall 2, coupled with heavy torrential downpour, blockages occurred in the drainage systems, leading to the collapse of the wall, he said.
It is only that 10 meters of the retaining wall where the pressure of the entire football field's water collected there. The retaining wall in the preliminary report that has been given to us, the specifications are as per the drawings and the entire details that have been put in, and the retaining wall has been made as per the specifications. So there is nothing wrong in the construction part. All the quality measures and all the specifications have been adhered to. And as I said, it is only because of the drainage and the leakage of the water. That part was affected, but necessary measures have been taken to ensure that we stop any kind of further damage in that area.
Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong has made it clear that the areas in Block 1 and Block 2, which are under the administrative control of Assam, need to be retransferred to Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters after the meeting of the Rebhoi District Regional Committee headed by him on Friday, Tinsong said when it came to Block 1 and 2, questions of differences did not arise as it was purely about transferring back the land to Meghalaya on the basis of Notification 1959. He said that the committee decided to hold the next sitting together with the Assam committee very soon.
When you talk about Block 1, Block 2, please understand, the question of differences does not arise. The question of dispute does not arise. It is purely the question of retransferring back those Block 1, Block 2 on the basis of Notification 1951. We placed before the government of Assam to kindly retransfer it to us in those areas where the population is maximum with our own people.
The National People's Party National Vice President and Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Preston Tinsong, on Friday said the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 government is intact and will complete the full 5-year term. The current dispensation, as far as the state government is concerned, we are all intact and we are all committed. We will complete the whole term of 2023 up to 2028, Tinsong told reporters.
The present dispensation, as far as state government is concerned, we are all intact, and then we are all committed. We will complete the whole term of 2023 up to 28. They are our closest friends, so we will continue. We will see it together.
Along with the rest of the country, the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, in collaboration with the Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, today organised the 4th edition of the 10-kilometre run starting from Polo First Ground. Flagged off by Meghalaya Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Shaklyar Warjiri, the run covered various landmarks in Shillong, providing participants with a scenic and challenging course. Starting from JN Stadium Gate Number 1, the run culminated at JN Stadium Gate Number 1. Isawanda Lalu, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs, was also present. The winners of the Olympic Day run were awarded cash prizes and certificates during the prize distribution ceremony held at SSA Stadium.
Government nakaliang department nakapor ni Julia kibabon mungkin ki events mungkin ki jaj mo ki sports ki bangin kentiu bangin ai ka platform nakamta ki kun samla ki jungi akaba kinla bakin le kham bahas susu ka sports tikani ru ka dikawin ki platform bangi kerman baling ba kini ki marathon len kini ki sports ka ba mangi nakaling ka government ni organize baling ba kita ki sports bangi organize kan ka platform ki bakin nakam ki susu shalom.
And now for the weather. The maximum temperature was 26 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 18.9 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 71%, dropping to 61% in the evening, with rainfall measured at 5.4 millimeters. And now for a recap of the top stories of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi departs for a 2-day visit to Egypt after successful conclusion of US tour. KHADC unanimously passes an official resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. Rupees 253 crore 12,59,690 crore budget presented in the House. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma reviews Tura Stadium wall collapse issue. Says wall collapsed due to blockage in drainage system and ongoing construction work. Reboy Regional Committee holds meet. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong says Meghalaya to seek retransfer of Block 1 and 2 from Assam. That's all the news we have today. Thank you for watching.